Question for you. Let me get past this driveway before I ask that question. And this truck is moving with a purpose today. I love it. Alright, let's make sure no one's coming up. Nope. Alright. Question I have to ask is, can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah. Up. You know what we're gonna do again? We're gonna hug that center. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. And yes, I did just drift that turnaround. It's really called a fork or a Y. This truck is just so aggressive. I love it. Wonder what I'm gonna end up naming this truck. So, yeah, it's 100% confirmed, guys. Once I do an oil change on here, add the stiction eliminator, it'll run through those spool valves and the injectors. And then, of course, I'll keep adding Hot Shot Secrets. I'll keep adding the Hot Shot Secrets, which is also stiction eliminator, but the fuel treatment. I mean, I'll be treating the fuel injectors inside and out. Oh, wait, hold on, slow down. Don't get too carried away. You got an intersection. And you got a driveway. Whoa. Slow down there, cowboy. All right, let's go. Get a oh yeah. Oh, guys, I'm just having too much fun. It's Saturday. I just got through cutting my grass. Called and talked to my mom for a little bit. Spent time with my wife. She's sleeping. You know, first trimester of pregnancy. Just living the good life, that's all. I'm up where people live, so I'm gonna have to drive sensibly. Oh, hell yeah. I'm having way too much fun and my battery's about to die. Alright, I think that's enough adrenaline for today. I think I need to turn it around and go home. You know, while, you know, nothing bad has happened. I haven't broke the truck. I haven't wrecked the truck. Yeah, there's me from earlier. But, yeah, let me just gently ease on out of here. Make sure nothing's coming. You know, like I said, I haven't broken the truck. I haven't wrecked the truck. I haven't hit anyone. Let's go on back home while everything's still good, right? Let's go. Oh my God. Can I get a oh yeah? I need to quit doing that. I don't want that to become my thing. Oh man. Just way too much fun. God, this truck sounds good. Just sitting there spinning the frickin' tires on this gravel. This thing's just got so much torque. It's almost faster than my 7.3. Almost. When I'm done with it, it will be. It's supposed to be, the 6.0s are supposed to have more horsepower than the 7.3. Well, I know they do have more horsepower, but they're supposed to be faster than the 7.3. So, we'll see. Let's go. Oh my God. I almost spun out. Oh yeah. Alright guys. I hope you enjoyed that little fiasco, my shenanigans. Later, Gators.